Hello children, welcome back to your English class. Children, in the previous video, we have started chapter 1. See, the best Christmas present in the world. And I have shared an animation of this chapter. I hope you all have watched it. We have done the starter activity also, and I've told you to check the answers of this starter activity which are given on page number 23. Also, we have discussed about the new words. Now children, today we will start doing vocabulary, book exercises. Okay children? See, everyone, those who have the books, please open page number 17. See, working with language. Children, this whole activity is about verbs. See here. Look at these sentences from the story. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. The men said it was made in the early 19th century. This one was in a bad condition. Now children, in these two lines, if you see carefully, there are some words like spotted, said, was. These are italicized. Yes, these are written in italics. Why? Because these words are verbs. The italicized verbs are in the past tense. And what is one more common thing among these verbs? All these verbs are in the past form, past tense. They tell us what happened in the past. Fine. So first of all children, you all know about verb. What is a verb? Verb is a action verb, action word. Okay. Verb shows action. Also, occurrence, when any particular thing has happened, and state of being. So these are the three main things which we can understand in any sentence by verb. Now see children, see the first point. Read the passage below and underline the verbs in the past tense. This is the example. Okay. Now in the same way, you have to find out all the verbs here, okay, which was written in the past tense. Fine. So this one I can do it for you. A man got on the train and sat down. Fine. Now in this sentence, which is the verb and is written in past tense? Got. Okay. The compartment was empty except for one lady. Here, was. She took her gloves off. Took. A few hours later, the police arrested the men. Arrested. They held him for 24 hours and then freed him. Held and freed. Fine. So how many verbs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 verbs are there in this paragraph written in past tense. Now look at these sentences. The winner had lifted almost everywhere. Both fire and water had taken their toll on this desk. Here, had lifted and had taken, okay, are written in italics. Notice the verb forms had lifted, had taken. Yes, we have seen. The author found and brought the desk in the past. The desk was damaged before the author found it and bought it. Now, what does it mean? Fire and water had damaged the desk before the author found it and bought it. It means the thing had happened in the past. Fine. We use verb forms like had damaged for an event in the earlier past. If there are two events in the past, we use the had form. Make it very clear in your mind. We always use had, okay, when anything had happened in the earlier past. We also use the past perfect tense to show that something was wished for or expected before a particular time in the past. For example, I had always wanted one. मैं हमेशा ये चाहती थी. Now, see here two examples. When I reached the station, the train left. When I reached the station, the train had left. Okay. Now children, this exercise, see this one, second one, you have to do it. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the verbs in the brackets. Okay. There are some brackets in which some words are given. Okay. You have to, these are the verbs. Okay. These are the words as verbs. Fine. So you have to fill the blank with the correct form of verb. Children, this is a very easy activity. We have done it a number of times in our previous classes also. So this activity, you have to do it in your book with pencil. Now please turn your page. Now see, third one. Underline the verbs and arrange them in two columns, past and earlier past. Past, something which has happened recently. Okay, and earlier past means many days before or years back. Fine. So both the things happened in past, but one is the recent past and one is the earlier past. Now see, my friends set out to see the caves in the next town, but I stayed at home because I had seen them already. See children, okay. Set out. Set out is the recent past. Had seen is the earlier past. Fine. And if you can see, blue column is there written past and earlier past. So A, I have done it for you. So the recent past is set out and earlier past had seen. In this way you have to done B, C and D. So for today's video children, these are the two activities which you have to do it in your book. Fine children, I'll share you the answer key tomorrow evening. So all of you can please check whether you have done it right or wrong. So that's it for today children. In the next video, we will move on with the dictionary work and we will start doing the question answers. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a nice day.